Chapter 85.
Chapter 85, Secrecy of Private Matters, Guarding Secrets. Allah the Exalted says,
وَأَوْفُوا بِالْعَهْدِ إِنَّ الْعَهْدَ كَانَ مَسْئُولًا.
translating into English, and fulfill every covenant. Verily, the covenant will be questioned about.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this chapter is called chapter of keeping the secret. Here the secret we're talking about, a person trusted you with something. Al-majalisu amanat. When you sit together and you talk to, between you and somebody, and 2 or 3 people or 1 or 2, this is supposed to be the majlis with amana, a trust. You cannot take that and whatever is being said in that environment to take it to somebody else, whom those people, they don't want you to do that. Al-majalisu amanat. And this is where the betrayal takes place. You get somebody with you and he knows everything about what you are doing, and then suddenly when he's against you, he lined up with the enemies of yours against you. And then he started to disclose all the things that he's not supposed to disclose. A'udhu billah. No manners. Why is this in chapter of manners? Why? Because you have no manners to keep the secret. So this is in the chapter of manners, and that is to keep the secret. Regardless of what happened between you and that brother who had trusted you with that secret, and then suddenly because you something wrong, then you just expose him. A'udhu billah. And worse than that, this person who's with you, no, he's putting his mobile on for recording without you knowing. And you're still his friend in case you become his enemy. So he's using this against you. You think this didn't happen? Wallahi, this has happened. Wallahi. What type of manners is this person? You tell me. A person whom you trust, you sit with him and you relax and you start talking to him the secrets that, you don't tell anybody with. And that guy is actually recording. And he's still your friend. In case you fall out with him, he's holding you. He's going to blackmail you. Him and Iblis the same. A'udhu billah. A'udhu billah. How can you trust? If this is happening like this, ikhwani, you don't feel comfortable to talk to anyone. Brother, please can you just empty your pockets because I don't know what you have. Before we talk, please put your mobile somewhere else. Maybe I don't know, maybe you got something else. Then you bring a machine. Like the airport. To see bugs there. I'm a friend. Well, I'm sorry, but I've been bitten from the friend of mine. It's true or not? This is what happened. I'm not talking about something which doesn't happen. It's happening. A'udhu billah. These are the people who cut off the khair. They leave no khair, no good. So, 685, please.